I got the newest BoxyCharm box featuring these 5 items. This one I'm really excited to try. I don't even know what it looks like yet because I've been wanting a new eyeshadow palette. These I'm hoping I'll be able to put on better. It came with the tool to apply the lashes, better than the last video I did putting on lashes. And the gel looks relatively clear, so that should be less of a mess. It also came with the mascara, and I'm excited to try this one because I've never heard of this brand before, Rockin's Cosmetics, and I also needed a new mascara, so I'm excited about that. And I got the Advanced Serum plus Vitamin E. Excuse me, I'm cooking and there's some smoke in the air. With hyaluronic acid 100, natural 97% from Clarins, and this face toner from First Aid Beauty. It's their Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. I don't even know how to use a toner or what the point of it is, but I figured maybe I'll try it or I'll give it away. This is the postcard that came with the box. Oh, that's cool. They give you a discount now for add-ins. I may take advantage of that for October. And that's the postcard that came with it. I'm gonna move my fingers so you can read it. Let's see this one. Let's see what this looks like. Oops.